Welcome to the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ in satin steel metallic. This truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Silverado, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights and fog lights, button-activated trailer and driving modes, heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, dual-zone climate control, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual USB charging ports, and Bose audio all around the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with your 18-inch wheels paired up with Michelin Primacy LTX tires. Moving right along, chrome door handles. Automatic running boards come out when the doors open and retract once the door is closed. Chrome mirror with the LED on it. Chrome Silverado badge on the fender. Around the front of the truck, chrome grille with the classic gold bow tie in the center. Blacked out recovery hooks at the bottom bumper. LED daytime running lights and headlights. Making our way back down the side of the truck. This truck is remote start equipped. Chrome accents all around the windows. Rear tinted privacy windows. Bed cover is installed on this Silverado. 4x4 logo on the bed as well. And around the back of the truck, chrome Silverado and LTZ badges on the tailgate. Chrome bumper with steps built into either side, and the rear towing package is also installed on this vehicle. Heading back inside the Silverado, starting off with your in-seat storage. These seats are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Rear sliding window. Cup holders come down in the center. Bose audio continues throughout the vehicle. And in the center console here, we have the controls for your heated leather seats as well as dual USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.